Everyone, I am back today with another Christmas themed folio. I was very inspired by the last one that I made that was kind of pink themed, so I had seen this particular kit on Etsy and purchased it and was so inspired when I got it that I just had to make another Christmas themed folio. So these images that you're going to see as I go through are from Fun Ink Art Coloring, and the kit that I've used is called Pink Mint Christmas. And I'll have that written out below in the description box for you. And then I used other papers from the old design shop, Amity Bloom, Ruby and Pearl, and Angela Kerr. So let me show you this fun folio. So I have closed it with this cream and gold trimmed ribbon. And it's just a trifold folio, but I've added a signature here. On the front, I have this gorgeous cake image, and so then I decided when I knew I was going to use this, then I've decided that this is a baking themed folio. Well, although you probably wouldn't want to use it in your kitchen just because it's got lots of trims and so on as normal. So I've used a little bit of sari ribbon with some of this pearl and diamond trim, a little bit of kind of snowflake lace here, and then the image is just layered on some craft paper here, a little bit of I don't know if you can see it, that cream color is sparkle, and then at the very bottom is this Amity Bloom paper that I've used on the back, and then I've just edged everything in that gold ribbon buff. So inside, just added as normal my baking paper pockets. I had this Christmas cake kind of recipe page that I thought I would use as part of the background. And then in this pocket, I've got some of the tags from the kit, my note stamp, and then I've added just this tag that I made from some of the Ruby and Pearl paper, another of the images from that Pink Mint kit, and then this is an Angela Kerr Christmas recipe postcard. I'll show you the signature last. Here I've made the flip that I usually make. I've added a little tag here, and then another here with French boulangerie patisserie, which I thought went well with the baking theme. And then here I have a little pocket, another one of the small tags from the kit, and then just a tag that I've made from some of the Amity Bloom paper. This is an image from the kit, and I had originally thought that might be great for the cover, but then I saw that cake and knew I had to do the cake. Here I've got another printable, small cakes and cookies, and they're very Christmas themed. And then this one, I believe this is from the old design shop. This is white Christmas cake, so that's why I've included that. And then inside the flip here, the back pocket, another of the kit images, another of the Angela Kerr Designs postcards, and then this is from Angela Kerr Designs as well, this recipe card. And then I've used things that kind of refer to baking. So this is from a piece from an Amity Bloom freebie, I believe, and it talks about sugar, and then I've got Christmas cake there. Oh, I've still got paper clips there. On the envelope that I've added, let me just show you. I've just added a little booklet here, I thought, for notes, just a variety of different papers throughout here. Just some extra journaling space there. And I have added, I don't know if you can see, I've added a little bit of an accordion there so that it has a little bit of expansion room. Do that after. Now here I've got a couple of different pockets. Let me take that out so you can see the different pockets. This is an image, and it's actually part of an envelope from the Pink Mint kit, but I thought it made a really nice pocket. And then this is just a piece from one of Ruby and Pearl's Christmas kits that I've added as the top pocket. So here, this is just a cut off from one of the journaling cards from the kit. Homemade Christmas candies. This is from Luna Rozu. She has a Christmas kit, so I've added that. And then I've just embossed with a snowflake embossing folder here and added a little tab. And then I had a mincemeat recipe here, and this is another image from the kit. So let me show you now the signature I've added. This is not part of a kit. This is just a journaling card that I've had for a long time, actually, and it's one of my favorites. I love using it. And then in the bag, so this is a bag, and then I've got one of the Angela Kerr recipe cards, and I've added just a little journaling card that I made, stamped it, and added a little tab at the top there. Lots of tabs throughout this, and then just lots of plain space here to be able to add recipes or journal for Christmas. Added a vellum pocket here, another tag embossed with another different snowflake embossing folder, and a tab. And then this is Christmas specials, 70 Christmas specials, and then another Angela Kerr recipe card. Another tab. That's an Amity Bloom freebie. And then here I have added just an offcut of that this recipe paper here, and just added a tab, so that's just a journaling space. And another journaling card from the kit. This is Ruby and Pearl printable. Here is another Angela Kerr Designs Christmas postcard. And then I've just added a few different papers here, a little bit of trim. And then in the middle, this is an old Design Shops Christmas cookbook page. This is all around gingerbread, so I've added that. The other part of this craft paper I've just stamped with my notes stamp. This is just a part of that ledger page, and I thought I would just leave it like that, and you could always add a page there, or just write something on that. For this page, I have added another image from the kit. And these images, I should say, are not all journaling cards. I have reduced in size some of the pages to make these journaling cards. So you could do a whole journal with just these types of images. Here I've left a flip open, and then this is one of the pockets from the kit as well, which I love. And I don't have anything in it. I just thought it was a great space to add a little bit of something. On the other side of that paper clip, I have another tag that I've made, and then another kind of Christmas cake recipe there. And that is one that's just been in my stash for years. It's not part of a kit. Here, the other vellum pocket. I've stamped a label here. I love this image from the kit. It's beautiful. It's another great one for the cover. Another recipe card, and then I've just embossed this pink paper with that same snowflake embossing folder and added a tab to the top. Lots of tabs, lots of these Christmas postcards. And then here, another one here with the cupcakes, and then I've made this bag out of tracing paper, and then just added a pink tag there. And then at the back part of the bag. This gorgeous cake image, that would have been a great selection for the cover as well. Just backed it onto some craft cardstock, or rather craft paper, and that paper is actually fairly thin paper. It's the paper, it comes in a roll that you would get at the post office to wrap boxes in if you're going to mail them. So that's what that paper is. It's not heavy cardstock. And then this is from the Old Design Shop, and this is all about Christmas cake, Christmas pudding. And so I've just left it like that. You could glue it together and just have it as kind of like a bookmark, but I thought I would leave it open because someone might want to use it to do a bit of journaling on. And that is this latest folio that I've made. I think I'm going to be returning to some autumn themed folios. I'm very much in a folio mood right now. But I will be doing definitely a few of these. I've already got a few bases made for these. I'm going to be doing more of these for Christmas. So that'll be coming up in probably October. In November. So thanks everyone for joining me. This is listed in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I've put the link below. And as I said, I will list all of the shops that I got these items from below in the description box so that you can head over and take a look. Thanks for joining me.